Client gets hit by an uninsured driver, takes 2.5 years to get her insurance company to pay the full value of the claim for her recovery. Hi, I'm Shane Smith from Shane Smith Law. I'm here today to talk to Suzanne, one of our litigation attorneys here at Shane Smith Law, about one of her most recent client victories. So Suzanne, I know you recently got DC's case settled. Tell me about this. Tell me about the action. How did it take place?
Sure. Thanks, Shane. So DC was 51-year-old woman. Well, she was 49 at the time of the collision. She was traveling for work when she got rear-ended by an inattentive driver at about 45 miles per hour. Her car got then pushed forward and then she smashed into the car in front of hers. So she was, I guess, the second driver in a 3-car collision. She was taken by ambulance and her car was totaled.
So Suzanne, what were DC's injuries after the collision itself?
Sure. So DC, she had injuries to her neck and back. Specifically, she was diagnosed with whiplash, cervicalgia, sprain of the lower and upper back. She also had some cervical disc bulges and spinal stenosis in the neck.
Okay, so most of her injuries were in the neck itself. Is that right?
Yeah, neck and then some strain in the lower back as well.
And what kind of treatment did she have to receive?
So she did a lot of physical therapy, multiple rounds of injections, and then eventually her doctor recommended that she get something called radio frequency ablations, which is basically the doctor heats up and burns off parts of the nerve so that the nerve stops sending the pain signals to the brain.
All right, did she have to, and she had that radio frequency ablation, or was just a recommendation?
So that was a recommendation at the point that we settled it. I believe she needed to wait until we had the settlement so that she could go ahead and get that completed.
And were you able to successfully get the case resolved then for her?
Yes, so we were able to get the full amount available to her under her uninsured motorist policy. So the person who hit her was not insured.
Okay.
So we were able to get the full amount for her from her uninsured motorist coverage.
Right. So when we say full amount, that means we got all the money that she had purchased, all the coverage she had purchased through her own carrier. Is that right?
That's correct.
And sometimes when we talk to people and they're going to be dealing with their own insurance company, they think that that's going to be easier. Did you find that the insurance company just basically listened to her and just gave that money, or did you have to fight with them a lot?
So I know she was with the firm for about 2.5 years before it came to me. And so they had asked to take her examination under oath. I believe they did that when the previous attorney was in my job. But when I started at the firm, they had asked for a lot of documentation about her tax returns, because so a lot of her case was also about her lost income. And so I had to send them that information and then talk to the adjuster a few times and the attorney once or twice. So I would say a little bit less of a fight than, the liability adjuster, but definitely not easy.
I was going to say, so it sounds like it took about 3 years to get them to agree to pay all the coverage she had purchased. Is that right?
Yeah, so she was with the firm for about 2.5 years, and then I had it for a couple months. So yeah, about 2.5 years total.
Okay, all right. What is something you learned from this case you might take with you to another case?
So one thing I learned is that a lot of times the insurance company just needs, a good time limited demand.
Okay.
This is your last chance to pay the full amount. If not, we're going to have to file, and then we're going to ask for the full amount of the claim. I think they probably had the full amount on their reserves the whole time. They were just holding it. When they got that final, last time limited demand, that's when they finally issued it.
All right, great. Well, Suzanne, sounds like you did a great job. How did the client feel with the resolution of the case?
Oh, she was very happy. She went through a lot with her career and having to leave her field of 20 years and go back and go to school so she can use that money to pay for her tuition and things like that.
All right, well, it sounds like a great result. You got the best result you could for her and got the full policy, which is great. Thanks for your time. For our listeners, hit like and subscribe down below for our next client victory from Shane Smith Law. Remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-909-9999.
In pain, call Shane.
980-999-9999. 980-999-9999. Shane Smith Law. In pain, call Shane.